Welcome to Hospitality Island, where the flavors of paradise come to life. Join us on an epic culinary journey as we uncover the Sous Chef's guide to menu planning and development.
Hey there, fellow food explorers. I'm your Sous Chef, and today, I'm about to unleash the magic of menu planning and development that will elevate your culinary game to a whole new level. Our adventure begins with sourcing the finest, most exotic ingredients. It's like a treasure hunt for the senses. It's here in the kitchen where we transform these ingredients into culinary masterpieces. The flames dance, and the spices sing. Plating isn't just about food, it's an art form. We aim to create dishes that are as beautiful as they are delicious. Innovation thrives in collaboration. Our diverse team brings together a world of flavors and ideas to craft a memorable menu. Menu planning is our canvas, and every dish is a stroke of genius. It's about crafting an unforgettable experience. The rush of a well-executed service, the joy on the faces of our patrons, it's the heart and soul of what we do. And don't forget the final flourish, the garnish that takes a dish from ordinary to extraordinary. There's no greater reward than seeing our guests savor every bite. It's why we do what we do. Thanks for embarking on this culinary adventure with me. If you're hungry for more inspiration, make sure to subscribe to Hospitality Island.
And remember, your culinary journey is just beginning. Together, we'll explore new horizons of flavor and creativity. Stay tuned for more mouth-watering experiences right here on Hospitality Island.